Welcome back to the channel. Auto Repairs Ireland. Today we're doing the Skoda and we're changing the shocks. So we'll show you how to change the shocks. I'll do one side, do a video on it, and yes, and the other one's obviously going to be the exact same. So let's crack on with the job, and please subscribe, like and share, leave a comment if you like. Now for this job we're going to need obviously a new shock, dust covers, we'll need 16mm ratchet bolt for taking out. There's two bolts up here. There's one there, and there's one in behind it there anyway. And we have a 21mm bolt here. So we need a spanner for that. So that's what we need. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to just basically take off. You need a jack as well. So what we're going to do is jack the jack up underneath the spring, just so it doesn't, just so it's slightly just push it up, keeping it in place. Lightly taking the pressure off it. Now I'm going to take off this nut here and the two above, and just take the shock out. So I'll just demonstrate how easy it is anyway, how to get it. Use some WD-40 penetrating to penetrate the nuts to get them off. Now I have loosened these yesterday, so put some bolting with. So once you have checked your spring, make sure it's very important you do that. The two nuts up here, which so we'll come back here now and have them all out. There we go. Have the two top bolts out from up there. This one here is as well. So how comes the shock? There you go. There's the three bolts there now. Easy peasy. So the next job we have to do now is we have to work with this here now. So we go over to the bench. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this cap off and we're going to remove this part here because we need to reuse it. So pull off that cap off that there, son. Simple as that. Next thing is we need a hold that there like that. We need a ratchet piece. There's two ways you can do it. You can use a ring spanner on this nut here and hold this here with a vice grip, so something like that, and screw it off. Or you can just, in this case, the shocks are so bad, I'm just going to clamp a vice grips onto it here and hold it solid, and use a ratchet to take it off back and forth. So in this case, since the shocks are not going to be kept, I'm just going to clamp down the vice grips. And just undo the nut. There we go. Like so. Nut down there. Take this off. Nah, that's a bit of trash. Show me this here now. Roll that here. Look bad, the whole dust cover was wrecked on this one. Absolutely wrecked. But anyway, so what we're going to do next is we're going to set up the new one. So right, this part here, I've got the dust cover. Now I put it in there myself just a second ago. There's a little bit of a groove here, so you can twist it in. So you put it down and push it in and twist until it goes in like that, and this piece then fits into the top piece like so. And then this piece then fits through. So what we'll do is push the shock there. She can slowly start coming after me. Get me bolt ready. And goes the bolt. We need 16mm ring spanner. 1 second. Vice grips, there's a top piece here that'll hold the shaft of the shock. Then you get your ring spanner and you tighten it up like so. And just repeat on both sides. There we go. Job done. There's 2 bolts in the top part down there, and it's surrounded by this, so you just pull that back and bolt it up. But what I'll do is I haven't got them fully tightened up yet. I'm going to get the bottom bolts in and do the 3 of them together. Yeah, I have this back nut tightened up. The next job is to do the top ones. These 2 up here underneath this. Right, the left, find 2 bolts on the top. These go in at an angle in. This one over here first and then this fucking rubbish that's not in the way here. It's impossible to see it. There we go. Watch the camera so we can just there we go. Lovely jubbly. That's a shock fit. Next thing to do is put the screw back in here. The screw back in here. Into these. Dust. It's a mud guard sort of a thing. So I have one in here. I just put it into the hole so this one goes back in here. To do, and that's it. Simple as that. So over here. Just tighten them up basically. So what have we got here? We've got a 21mm bolt on the bottom lower half of the shock, 16mm 16mm on these 2 up here. Both sides, 16mm. Hopefully this video will be of some use to somebody, and if it's any way of any help, please subscribe, leave a comment if you like. Or not, I'll share. Thank you.